What happens if Earth falls into a black hole? Genre: cinematic sci-fi/science documentary. What if, tomorrow morning, the Earth started falling into a black hole? Not millions of years from now. Not in another galaxy. Right here. Right now. Would we be crushed instantly? Would we survive? Or would we witness something no human was ever meant to see? Let's find out. Chapter 1. The Beginning of the End. Everything begins with a single discovery. Astronomers detect a rogue black hole drifting silently through interstellar space. It emits no light, no warning. Only its immense gravity betrays its presence. At first, nothing seems unusual. The sun continues to shine. Birds still sing. Cities remain busy. Then, the planets begin behaving strangely. Mercury shifts slightly from its orbit. Venus follows. Powerful telescopes reveal the impossible. The solar system isn't moving around the sun anymore. The sun is moving. Something unimaginably massive has entered our cosmic neighborhood. Chapter 2. Gravity takes control. As the black hole approaches, gravity begins stretching the solar system. Earth's orbit slowly changes. The moon drifts farther away. Ocean tides grow stronger than anything in recorded history. Entire coastlines disappear beneath towering walls of water. Earthquakes shake every continent. Volcanoes awaken across the Pacific Ring of Fire. Scientists make one terrifying announcement: we cannot stop it. Chapter 3. Goodbye, Sun. Months later, the Sun appears different. Not because it's changing, but because space itself is bending. Its light curves around the invisible giant. Day and night lose their meaning. The sky fills with impossible arcs of light. Stars appear in places they've never been. Time itself begins slowing. To distant observers, Earth seems to move slower. But for us, everything feels normal. Albert Einstein predicted this over a century ago. Near extreme gravity, time stretches. The closer we fall, the slower our clocks tick compared to the rest of the universe. Chapter 4. The Event Horizon. Then, we reach the point of no return. The event horizon. The invisible boundary where escape becomes impossible. Surprisingly, nothing dramatic happens at first. You wouldn't feel a wall. You wouldn't see a gate. You simply cross it. Without realizing, you've already passed the point where no force in the universe can bring you back. Outside observers would see Earth freeze at the edge forever. Its light would become dimmer, redder, until it slowly disappeared. But from Earth's perspective, the journey has only just begun. Chapter 5. Spaghettification. Gravity near the black hole isn't equal everywhere. Your feet feel a stronger pull than your head. The difference stretches everything. People, buildings, mountains, even atoms. Scientists call this process spaghettification. Everything becomes longer, thinner, until matter itself is torn apart. If the black hole is relatively small, Earth would be ripped apart long before crossing the event horizon. But if it's a supermassive black hole, something even stranger happens. Earth could cross the event horizon before tidal forces become overwhelming. That means, for a brief moment, humanity could witness the inside of a black hole. Chapter 6. Beyond the Horizon. What happens next? The truth is, no one knows. Our current laws of physics break down. Some theories suggest we will be crushed into an infinitely dense point called a singularity. Others propose black holes may contain wormholes leading to distant regions of space. Some physicists even speculate they could connect to entirely different universes. There is no evidence yet, only possibilities and mysteries. Final chapter. Humanity's last view. As Earth disappears into the darkness, the stars above begin fading one by one. The universe itself bends into impossible shapes. Time loses meaning. Distance becomes meaningless. The last thing humanity would ever see may not be darkness. It may be every moment in the history of the universe, happening all at once. Then, silence. Ending. Black holes remain among the greatest mysteries in the cosmos. They challenge everything we know about gravity, time, and reality. Fortunately, there are no known black holes on a collision course with Earth. For now, our planet is safe. But somewhere in the universe, these cosmic giants continue to shape galaxies, hide impossible secrets, and remind us how much we still have to learn. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What do you think really exists inside a black hole?